Hi. How are you today? How are you, Rabbit? Rabbit says they're fine. How are you? I'm fine. I'm having a good time, but I'm missing you an awful lot. Rabbit asks me how much I'm missing you. I'm missing you this much. It's so much you can't see it in the picture. Like this much, so much. I'm missing you. So, let's sing our song. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. Hello to Rabbit, happy to be with you. Hello to Bluebird, happy to be with you. Hello. Are you ready for this? Whoa. I don't know if Bluebird can sit up by himself. Hello to the llama, happy to be with you. The llama needs the bird needs the llama. Hello to the lizard, happy to be with you. Hello to our friend Turtle, happy to be with you. Hello to you, happy to be with you. Hello, Teacher Kate, happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. Can you clap with me? I can clap with you. Can you blink your eyes too? I can blink my eyes too. Can you shrug your shoulders? I can shrug my shoulders. Can you click your tongue? I can click my tongue. Can you listen to the noises around? It's very quiet. I can listen to the noises around. I think I can hear some cars. Can you look through a telescope? Whoa. I can look through a telescope. Whoa. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's a beautiful day and I'm happy to be with you. It's Tuesday. It's the second day of our school week. Monday, Tuesday. But it's the third day of the whole week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And what comes tomorrow? Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow is Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know what day of the month it is? Do you know what month it is? We had January when we came back to school. February. We had a little mini break. March. In the middle of March, we left school. It made us really sad. Now it's the month of April. It's the fourth month. January, February, March, April. And the day of the month today is the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, That's how many days of the week there are too. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oops. Or we could start with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So many different things to count. Today, we are going to work on counting. And yesterday, we got to take our breaths. How many breaths do we take? Generally, we take 3 breaths. Today, we're going to start with the biggest bowl first. Are you ready? Three big breaths. Now, yesterday, we sang a song about the bunnies in the bakery shop. Today, I thought we could do a little trip to the bakery. So the baker wakes up so early in the morning. Has to wake up so early because I have to go so early to the shop to make the bunnies, the sweet, yummy bunnies. So he's at the shop and he gets his bowl, his mixing bowl, and then he puts in some flour. How many cups? Let's put 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3 cups of flour. And then some milk. And then some eggs. Oh, do you know how to crack an egg? You have to knock it on the side of something and open it. Let's do one other egg. And then some salt, just a pinch of salt. And what else? Maybe a little bit of sugar. One scoop of sugar. Some vanilla. Vanilla we pour in. I like cinnamon in mine. I'm going to put cinnamon. Anything else you want to put in yours? You go ahead, because I can't see you, so I don't know. But you can decide if you want anything else in yours. And then we take our big whisk and mix the batter. Maybe tomorrow we'll sing the mix the batter, but read the mix batter. Mix the batter. And then you gotta mix the dough. It's kind of like a dough. I'm making more of like a batter. Just make it a little bit of a dough. And then we take some of the dough. We didn't put too much milk, so it's not too mixy, so we can kind of mix it like Play-Doh. And then we can make the ears of the bunny. You have to make the body of the bunny, and then they make the ears of the bunny. And then you put it in the oven. And it smells so good. And we wait, and we wait. And it smells so delicious, those cinnamony bunnies. And then we take them out. Oh my gosh. And then you have to put in the sugar and the milk, and you make a frosting, icing, and then you put that all over them. Oh, and then you're the baker. You put them in the window of the bakery shop. And then the kids come. Because they're 5 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along comes a girl with a penny to pay, and she takes a bunny and she runs away. And then there were 4 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a boy with a penny to pay, and he took a bunny and he ran away. Then there were 3 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a kitten with a penny to pay, and he took a bunny and he ran away. Then there were 2 little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a boy with a penny to pay, and he took a bunny and he ran away. There was one little bunny at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came a girl with a penny to pay, and she took the bunny and she ran away. There were no little bunnies at the bakery shop, the kind with the sugar and the honey on top. Along came Teacher Kate with a penny to pay. But there were no bunnies, so she ran away. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're going to make a trip to the mountain. Are we ready to go see the stars and the moon on the mountain? Let's go. Here we go. Ooh, I'm an old lady. Oh, there goes my bluebird friend. Here comes a bluebird friend. Whoosh, whoosh, flying up to the top of the mountain. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Oh, the bluebird flew away. Can you fly like a bluebird? Oh, and then the old lady's working her way up. Oh, there's a telephone ringing. Working her way up the mountain. Oh, she hears the phone ring.
From Terry Reed.
Oh no. I hope someone picks up that phone call. She made it to the top of the mountain and she sees the moon. Oh, she walks a little back. Oh, and she reaches up and she reaches to the other side to make the other moon shape on the other side. And then she walks up a little bit further and she looks up and she sees the star. Oh, star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world, so I go up on my toes, high like a diamond in the sky. Oh, I made a diamond with my arms. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, and we're back on the mountain. Like a leaf or a feather in this windy, windy weather, we whirl around and twirl around and all fall down together. One more. Like a leaf or a feather in this windy, windy weather, we whirl around and twirl around and all fall down together. Oh, there. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, have you been to Chocolate Land, Chocolate Land, Chocolate Land? Have you been to Chocolate Land? So we can pick this one. Wherever you may be. I think I'm eating chocolate. Why? Yes, I've been to Chocolate Land, Chocolate Land, Chocolate Land. Yes, I've been to Chocolate Land. I love chocolate so much. Oh my gosh, look, everything's chocolate. Yes, I've been to Chocolate Land. Wherever I may be. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, an old man who said to me, have you been to Skipping Land, Skipping Land, Skipping Land? Have you been to Skipping Land, wherever you may be? Why? Yes, I've been to Skipping Land, Skipping Land, Skipping Land. Yes, I've been to Skipping Land, wherever I may be. I traveled over land and sea. I met an old man who said to me, an old man who said to me, have you been to Turning Land, Turning Land, Turning Land? Have you been to Turning Land, wherever you may be? Why? Yes, I've been to Turning Land, Turning Land, Turning Land. Yes, I've been to Turning Land, wherever I may be. Now you can make up your own. Will you do a few of your own for me? You could put the video on pause, but we have to finish because we're almost at 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. So we're going to say goodbye and sing our last song. Ready? Round and round the earth is turning, turning always round till morning, and from morning round till night. Bye, everybody.